Hi, 3301 peeps. Wanted to chat with you one last time. Can't believe we're nearly to the end of the course. I'm really pleased with the work that you've done. I'm still getting some daily work caught up, but I'm great all your major projects. And the people who have been doing the work and turning it in have done well. I don't have any reservations about those of you who've been regularly submitting your work. Um, So this week it's about finishing up. So I want to talk to you about two things. First of all, I want to talk about infographics, and then I want to talk about just peer review. So infographics first. I know there's some fear and trepidation. Infographics are ways to visualize data. I'm just going to show you an example real quick. One, because I think it's funny. Um, I don't know if you remember during the snow apocalypse, if you lived in Corpus in spring of last year or winter of last year, we had a major freeze. It got colder than it's ever gotten, and the power system failed. And so the National Weather Service actually created this um, infographic for us, which talks about how to layer for clothing. And if you're not from this area, this is old hat. But if you've never heard of layering, it's really helpful. It just says it's a little chilly, 1 to 2 layers, outer layer, cold, 2 to 3 layers, extreme cold, 4 layers. And notice how much information is given quickly in a visual manner about ways to dress for different climates. And if it would take pages, paragraphs, maybe entire page to give all this info, but this simple visualization gives you all the information you need very quickly. And that's what an infographic does. And again, I say this in our uh, in the assignment, but I don't expect this to be perfect. I know this is the first time most of you all have done this, and it's okay. I want you to experiment trying to do the different kinds of digital writing in addition to the more traditional kinds of writing we're learning about. So we're going to submit a draft of our infographic on Tuesday, and I will give you quick responses, and then that will be turned in with your final product. The other part of the work that we're doing this week is we're going to submit our final draft of our major project on Tuesday by midnight. I'm going to ask you to take the time to respond to 2 of your classmates by Thursday um, evening. Earlier, the earlier the better, because the idea is to give your classmates time to revise their work based on your decision. So to get your peer review done by Thursday, and then by Friday at midnight, the final analysis is due. And again, the analysis is a deep dive into 3 of the kinds of writing that you're going to be doing in your profession. So infographic, peer review, turn in your final paper, and that's it. It's all over with the writing. I'm delighted you've taken this course. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions, please let me know. Talk to you later.